Welcome to episode 5, the single biggest jump from prompt toy to production prompt. Stop asking the model for prose. Demand structured JSON every time. Set response format to JSON object. Suddenly, the model is forced to return parsable JSON. No more regex parsing of natural language. No more retry loops on malformed output. The model handles validity for you. 4 reasons to demand JSON. It parses cleanly into your typed Python code. It eliminates parsing bugs. It makes evals trivial. You just assert on field values. And versioning, the schema versions, the contract between you and the model. Pydantic models become your prompt's output schema. Define the shape once. Pass the class as response format. The model returns a parsed user object, typed, validated, ready to use. This is what production prompt engineering looks like. Your schema is your contract with the model. Sign it once, version it. Everything downstream depends on it. Next episode, prompt templates, variables, reuse, the pattern that turns one-off prompts into reusable code.